what she said. Today, we have an unboxing video. Found this at Walmart today. Mandalorian merch box. If you guys have not seen The Mandalorian, what the heck are you waiting for? Click that link right below and check it out. It's an amazing show.
Oh my god. Watch this right this second. Don't even watch the video right now.
Watch the video first.
No, watch it right now.
Anyways, guys. I'm excited for this. This looks awesome.
Oh, and I'm keeping the Baby Yoda just to say that out.
I like this box.
Whoa, that comes so good.
This box is built by Culturefly. Just like my other videos. Okay, so we're actually gonna start off with, how cool, a notepad.
Oh, this is mine when I grow up. What? For my car.
Oops, your car. She's not getting a car.
When I'm 12.
Definitely not when you're 12. Ooh.
Everything is in, and there's mine. My coffee and water's gonna be in there.
I can put my Christmas list on here. I feel like an officer. That's really cool. I like that though. I'll show. You want to show the camera that one?
Baby Yoda keychain for your car when I get one.
She's not getting a car. Do you want to pick one out? Just grab a random one. Anyone.
Save the big one for last.
Good choice. All right, what do we got? Show the camera. Ooh, it's a pin. Mandalorian pin.
It's a Mandalorian pin that secures Baby Yoda in the movie. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna go randomly.
Randomly.
I'm not even gonna go randomly because I already know what I'm getting. My sweet Baby Yoda. Do you want a real Baby Yoda, Sammy? Yes, she's so cute. Sammy, do you want a... I haven't opened this yet, so let me show you guys. Sammy.
What is that?
Hey, Sammy.
Let me open this while you're doing that.
Do you want a real Baby Yoda, Sammy? Yes.
I want a real Baby Yoda too. Santa, if you're watching, I've been a good boy this year.
Yeah. No, he hasn't. Mommy has been the worst girl.
My wife is always on the naughty list.
Your Baby Yoda's always on the very good list.
So this is actually a planter, I think. Wait, no, what is this? Oh, it's so cute, whatever it is. It's Baby Yoda. That is so cute.
Are you keeping it in your room, Sammy? Yeah.
No, it's going in my room.
It's not. It's so cute how it's I don't know which one. Oh, if you get one of these, what would they be careful because this plant comes out. I could actually use this for a real plant. It's really pokey. Oh my god. I can give him an ear pierce. I gave him an ear pierce.
I'm looking forward to this one.
Yeah, I'm right.
Careful.
Just trying. Fart. What one is 7 farts? Speaking of farts, don't light for my dad because he farts every night. I'm kidding. Click the subscribe button and link the link below because you will miss all the future videos.
That's true.
Oh, Dada, you're gonna like this. Trust me on this. You're gonna like it. It's just a silver cup. Oh my god. See, it's a silver cup.
Whoa.
Not just any silver cup.
Dude. That is legit.
Oh, it has a little head thing too.
It is not machine washable. That's fine. We don't have one. Dude. I will be drinking hot chocolate in that very soon.
Okay, 1 second, guys.
a thumbnail going there. I have a good collection going of mugs. This thing is heavy too. I think that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, guys, successful video.
Wait.
If you want this for yourself, I will try and find it. Link will be in the description below if I do find it. And don't forget to check out the Mandalorian for yourself. Link below.
Which one would you use? The one we just got or these? Which one would you guys pick? This one, that one, or this one? Or that one or that one? That's my dad's collection. I feel like I'm breaking them right now, but I'm not. I could zoom on.
I like coffee.
Yeah, he would probably drink out of this one the most. Oh, he would probably drink out of this one. Friends. Can barely see it.
Okay.
Friends. Okay, bye, guys. Link in below which one you would drink out. Pennywise, I'm kidding.
All right, guys.
Bye, peace.